Can you actually figure out what happens when DNA replication goes wrong? DNA replication is like a blueprint copying itself, ensuring that every new cell has a complete set of genetic instructions. It's an incredibly accurate process, but it's not perfect. Despite its precision, DNA replication can go wrong, and when it does, the consequences can be significant for a cell or an organism. These errors can occur due to various factors, such as environmental stressors, mistakes made by the replication machinery, or problems with the DNA template itself. If left unchecked, these errors can lead to changes in the genetic code that are passed on to daughter cells. Over time, this accumulation of errors can have far-reaching effects on an organism's health. So, how exactly can DNA replication go wrong? One common way is through point mutations, where a single base is substituted for another. Insertions and deletions also occur, where extra bases are added or removed. These changes can alter the genetic code in significant ways. For instance, a point mutation can change the codon for one amino acid to code for a completely different one. Insertions and deletions can shift the reading frame of the genetic code, leading to the synthesis of completely aberrant proteins. Such changes can have profound effects on cellular function. In some cases, cells can tolerate these changes, but in others, they can lead to cellular dysfunction or even cell death. The impact of these errors can be seen in genetic diseases such as sickle cell anemia, which results from a single base change in the hemoglobin gene. This change causes red blood cells to take on a sickle shape, leading to a range of health problems. Genetic errors also play a critical role in the development of cancer. When DNA replication goes wrong and cells accumulate mutations, their growth and division can become uncontrolled. This can lead to the formation of tumors, which can have devastating consequences if left untreated. Our bodies have mechanisms to repair DNA damage, but they're not foolproof. Some errors slip through, highlighting the delicate balance between genetic stability and the potential for harmful mutations. If you've ever wondered about genetic mutations or have thoughts on the topic, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating, simple science explanations.